Why is attribution crucial in journalism? Imagine reading a news story and wondering who actually said what. That's where attribution comes into play. It's like giving credit where it's due in a conversation. When journalists clearly state where their information comes from, it builds trust with the audience. Without this, stories can seem suspicious or even false. In journalism, attribution means naming the source of information and giving details about them. For example, saying a scientist conducted a study or a government official made a statement. This helps readers or viewers understand why that person is qualified to speak on the topic. It also shows if the source might have a bias or a particular perspective. Style guides for news reporting and writing emphasize the importance of proper attribution. They recommend placing attribution close to the information it supports, so it's clear who said what. When editing and proofreading, journalists double-check that every quote or fact has a clear source. This prevents misunderstandings or accidental plagiarism. Attribution also holds sources accountable. If someone makes a false claim, knowing who they are makes it easier to verify or challenge their statement. It discourages spreading rumors or misinformation. When stories include multiple opinions or claims, frequent attribution helps the audience tell who is responsible for each point. Another key reason for attribution is transparency. It allows the audience to evaluate the credibility of the information. If a report cites a well-known expert or a reputable organization, it boosts the story's reliability. Conversely, vague or missing sources can make a story seem untrustworthy. In addition, attribution protects journalists from accusations of plagiarism. Giving proper credit to original ideas or quotes is an ethical standard. It also helps maintain the integrity of the reporting process. When journalists follow clear attribution rules, they show respect for the original sources and uphold journalistic standards. In summary, attribution is essential in journalism because it makes stories transparent, credible, and fair. It helps audiences see where information comes from, understand the context, and judge its trustworthiness. Proper attribution also keeps sources honest and protects journalists from ethical pitfalls. It is a fundamental part of responsible news reporting and writing.